Hey guys, this is News Now Preston. This is the third and final video that I'm gonna put out. Yes, it was a train hit a pedestrian. It wasn't a vehicle. As you can see, since I walk over there, they're waiting on the medical examiner now to come out. They've got the crime scene tape up right there. They got the crime scene tape up right there. The body is on, let me zoom out, where the CSX truck is, right there where that truck is right there, the big semi. It's on the opposite side of that. That's where the body's at. They're waiting on the medical examiner right now to come out here. I had a run-in with CSX here. So yes, it was a confirmed DOA.
Okay.
See, how's he doing, buddy? Again. It's the guy that was on the shooting, Gerald.
All of them.
You are? He says it seems like it. Pretty good about yourself. It's the one that scared the stew out of me earlier.
What happened? Did he take
Ask Gerald what happened. It scared the daylights out of me. Detective just drove up. CSU just drove up. Howdy again, Detective. Yeah guys, this detective and this CSU was on a shooting we was on earlier tonight when I went live. You've been busy tonight, haven't you, buddy?
I haven't.
Oh yeah, you only in this area, right?
Huh?
You're in this area, right?
No, we cover the whole county.
Oh, you do? You look like the guy that was on a shooting earlier when we was on one.
One of the other guys working tonight, but that went too bad.
Oh, okay. That's a good thing in a way.
Yeah, I don't mind at all. I'm too old to be running 20 turnovers.
Makes your job a lot easier,
Yeah.
but it makes theirs harder to patrol.
Oh, they're always fun. I don't think those guys.
I'm trying to figure out if it was a vehicle or if it was just a pedestrian. And the sergeant don't want to talk to me right now, but maybe he will in a minute. After you get through, maybe he'll, who? 10-4?
10-4.
Yeah. I told him.
I know. So I heard you scare the crap out of my roommate.
No, it wasn't him. It was the other one.
Oh.
Yeah, it was the other
He
one.
scared the living crap out of him. What did he do? He came up behind him and went like this and goes, ah! He goes, ah! Scared the crap out of him.
It's just that I do a lot of.
He gets stealth mode, he can do that.
Yeah.
I do a lot of independent journalism,
Yeah.
and we know this guy from a lot of shootings I've been on.
Yeah.
And he knows us really well. He jokes around every time he sees us.
I remember seeing y'all down there on that one on Delphi.
Yep, we was on that one. This ain't him, it was another one. But
I don't know if it's the bigger insult that you think I'm him, or if it's a bigger insult to me or him, to be honest with you.
Which one it could be?
y'all both cool. Channel 4? He's a reporter, I think. I think he's a reporter.
Yeah, he is a reporter.
Yep, he's a reporter.
Yep. I'll be back, guys. Y'all need me, tell me.
Alright, we'll be leaving here in just a matter of minutes. As soon as the CSU finishes, we'll be leaving.
Alright. You gonna leave the body bag?
CSU don't do it, that'd be the Netflix thing. They just come by and take pictures and stuff. No. As soon as the CSU goes down there and comes back, we're gone. It's gonna take me a few minutes.
CSX? No CSU?
CSU, the guy that drives this, is the ball-headed man.
The last one I had on these prior to Homicide, it was dead on the train track on the bridge.
Did he just say homicide?
He
He did say homicide. It's late. Oh. Oh god.
But I about probably good for you to go.
Yeah, we'll be. I told you we'll be leaving here in a minute. As soon as CSU goes down and comes back, then we'll go.
Yeah.
Yeah, the one, the channel 2 dude.
Huh?
Channel 2 dude.
Oh, is it
The channel 2 dude.
Wait, oh yeah. I
The
know.
one that's driving this one right here?
Yeah, he's a dude. He looks like Arnold Schwarzenegger. If Arnold Schwarzenegger and fucking what's his name?
Trump.
Former president.
Trump.
Trump had a baby.
Yeah. Let's see what CSI takes out of the van. Look at his bag. I don't know if he's going to be able to get any information. They wouldn't give me none. I don't know if they're going to be able to give you any information. They wouldn't give the other journalists any.
It's between engineers and right now.
Sir, man.
I was one that was talking to you. Oh, yeah, that was me. I'll let you know. Are you going to stay here? In the homicide section? I'll put you. I'm upstairs. How's your channel for it? I guess that would be it. It is. Person on the tracks is all we got right now. We don't really know the circumstances of why he was on the tracks or how he got there. But he was hit by the train, obviously, and he's confirmed for it. And the train is stopped. We're talking to the engineers. We're talking to the engineer supervisor. and got homicide detectives coming out to interview everybody, and that's really where we're at right now. All right. Yeah, it'll be here for a while. So,
They said they are coming.
So, Sergeant? Sergeant, it was a vehicle?
what's that?
It was a vehicle? If I got you correct, or it was not a vehicle?
It was a what now?
Did you say it was a vehicle or it was not a vehicle?
I mean, it was a train.
I know, but did it hit the vehicle or a pedestrian?
It hit a person.
A person?
Not a vehicle.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. That's what I was trying to ask you, and you
yeah.
said you couldn't tell me right then
Yeah.
at the moment.
Yeah.
And y'all treating it as a homicide, you said?
It's under investigation right now.
Under
We're calling
investigation.
out homicide detectives, but they investigate more than homicides.
Oh, they do?
Yeah.
Okay, and can I get your name and employee
Sergeant
number?
Wilson.
Sergeant.
Sergeant Wilson,
And your employee number, sir?
184-870.
184-870?
Yep.
Thank you, sir. Okay, guys. They gave us all the information we needed. I will be with y'all back in a minute. Okay, guys, the sergeant just updated Channel 4 and me. It's a homicide. It was a pedestrian.
Oh shit.
And when the train, it was too late for the train to see it, so the train ran over the pedestrian, and they're treating it as a homicide. They're waiting on the homicide investigators to come out right now to finish it, and one person is confirmed DOA.
Damn.
He didn't tell me no information until CSI or CSU got here,
Yeah.
so that's why he couldn't tell me, and that's the medical examiner. No, that's not. But he said sorry he couldn't give me the information earlier. That is the medical examiner.
That's it? Oh, he's going live.
I think.
He's going live.
I think that's the ME.
No, that's Street Search and Rescue.
Don't know. Might be another news group.
Probably. Oh yeah, it is. Look at that tripod in the back.
It's probably Channel 5. Maybe Fox 17.
Right.
Oh yeah, that's the lady I think we talked to at the Walmart shooting, I think. Hi, local media. 4 or 5? 17. Okay. He just got an update, and I just got an update. It was a pedestrian that got hit by a train. They're treating it as a homicide. According to what the sergeant, if he was speaking really low, but according to what I heard, and I asked him again, the time the train hit the guy, it was too late, and it spread him across the train track. So they're calling out the homicide detectives and are checking it investigating it as a homicide.
Oh, wow. If that
So.
train is stopped, it's actually behind it, actually home store furniture here in Antioch. Metro Police tell me that the man was on the track. He got closer to the changes to become a black there. All we know is that he was behind this train.
All right, guys, this is not pressing. I'm signing. Evidently, it was nothing. Nothing turned up, did it?
Contact just wasn't for any
What did you say? Is he 2 stripes or 3 stripes? Hey, Sergeant. 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 Hey, Sergeant. Can you give me a little update? Was it? Oh, you can't? Okay, thank you. For answering anyway, thank you. Hey. They found it. The body. He said, I said, can you tell me, give me the update? He says, right now, that's still under investigation. I can't tell you nothing. So the body's down that way. So it was probably a pedestrian that got hit instead of a... Huh? Well, they wouldn't do that. The medical examiner would do that. the medical examiner would be the one that would bring the body out, not Metro. Hey, Lewis, I talked to the sergeant, and I asked him, can you give me any updates? And he was like, I can't tell you no updates right now because it's still under investigation. And the way he was talking, it is a body. So I'm assuming it's probably pedestrian instead of a vehicle, which would make more sense.
So where the fuck is the body at?
I don't know. The ambulances can't move the bodies. It has to be the medical examiner that has to move bodies.
So, 104. What?
He said he got 104 said.
So where? So they still can't find the fucking body.
No, they probably found it, but the sergeant said he can't give me any information right now because it's still under investigation. Tell me information. The sergeant will give me information. The sergeant will give me information. Oh, he should anyway. They might be bringing out the crime scene tape. Hey officer, are you a sergeant? Are you a sergeant? Okay. That's usually the one that drives those reason why I was asking. He is though. He's a sergeant. Hey, FTO, or is it a sergeant? FTO?
Yes, sir.
Hey, can you give me a little detail? I'm a journalist.
We just got here. We have no idea.
Okay, well, I know it went out as a MVA Versus a train,
Okay,
and then they couldn't find it.
literally just got here.
Oh, y'all did?
Right.
I didn't know if you knew anything else yet or not on it.
Just pulled up.
Oh, you
That's
did?
the only thing I can tell you. We just literally just pulled up.
Okay, can I get your name and
Leonard Cato, C-A-T-O,
and your employee number?
225-819.
225-819?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
All right.
It says they just got here, so they don't know yet. That's what we're supposed to check now. That's what they're fixing to check now. Huh?
This is FTO.
Yeah.
Rush guy, or whatever the fuck his name is? Fucking dickhead.
That's what he was saying.
He was backing up as you were trying to get closer. And he put his hand out.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Fucking dick.
Oh, they're, let's see.
Did you ask him if you were doing that?
No, I didn't ask him that. I mean, there's no signage, so I'm pretty sure we can go right up there.
Yeah, but they take that shit seriously at CSX. Granddaddy used to work there.
I mean, there's no signage that says we can't trespass.
Probably a lot of homeless people down here too.
And even if they did, they wouldn't trespass you immediately. They say, hey, you need to move. You know?
I mean, I don't know. But I was on that side. I went over to the behind the store, and like I didn't see nothing over there. Like seriously, I didn't see nothing at all.
You didn't?
So they may have not found anything. Like, dude, I'm not. If I have to, I'll probably search rescue team. Nothing? Nothing? What the hell?
Huh?
Nothing on 83.
No, it probably was. They probably just ain't been able to find it yet. I don't know.
Fucked up and accidentally hit record, and I started to record, so I got a 4 minutes, 20 second one, and I got a 31 second one.
I'm about to put some shoes on, and we walk the tracks.
Yeah, that's what I would do.
Because it's technically public land.
Yeah, I mean, there's no signage that
The
says
gate
no
there, I
trespassing.
think, to stop it from people going in there.
I wouldn't believe I see videos.
I mean, I'll ask, I see a Metro officer, I'll ask.
Be like, hey, can I walk the tracks and, you know,
Yeah.
see if
I don't believe my videos. There's nowhere to put up. Fuck, see, look, I fucked up. 4 minutes and 20 seconds and 34 seconds. There's nowhere to put it up.
they're going to the next staging post, I bet you.
Huh?
I bet you they're going to the next staging post. I'll get in contact with you.
Why do you trash? What's that?
I wouldn't trash it just yet, brother.
There.